We're at Culturati 2022 and really excited to be here to talk about culture and all the impact it has on our organizations, on our teams, and us as people.
Culturati is a community of leaders, scholars, and investors who get the power of culture.
We come together to share our playbooks and learn from each other about what's working and what's not and why. We enjoy each other's company genuinely, and I think that shows through in every experience and everything that we do.
When it comes to culture, the rent is due every day. So make sure that you take the time to invest in your culture for diversity, inclusion, equity, and belonging, but not just for activity, but for impact.
The most important part of the company is the people, and so I get to have a direct impact on that every day.
When I think of Culturati, I think of sort of the forces of humanization in the workplace versus the forces of dehumanization.
It's renewing just to be around people who are thinking about this kind of stuff, not taking it as a platitude.
My favorite part about Culturati is actually having face-to-face conversations with some of the most interesting, intelligent, engaging individuals.
Insights were flowing, friendships were being made, and conversation just became easier. And it comes out in the spirit of relationship and community.
People you really admire from afar and getting a chance just to connect with them in just a real intimate way.
It's a great group of people. Everyone's bringing their whole selves here. It's been really nice to know people and also just have a lot of fun doing it.
There is no better place than to be in Austin, Texas at Culturati, so don't miss it for next year.